What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing and setting up the Logitech G305 Lightspeed wireless gaming mouse. So to open this, you just basically peel the tape off. So in the box you have the mouse itself. You can pull it out just like this basically. So at the bottom you've got some charging cables and a battery you can be using. Alright, let's take a look at the mouse. Okay, it's very sleek. It's not too flashy, probably because it's not on yet, but it's very light, yeah, for sure. You can be sliding across the mouse mat very fast. Also in the box you have a sticker and some paperwork. Alright, so you can basically drag this down and you can open that to reveal the inside. So inside here we have the USB receiver, and this is where you put the battery in. So just like this. Goes in, mouse is on. So you just slide this back up. Very nice. So one battery can last 250 hours. So basically this button allows you to control the DPI of the mouse, and then these two buttons are just programmable, so you can do whatever you want with the side buttons. Honestly, in my opinion, this is a very nice wireless gaming mouse. It's not too expensive and it's very light, very functional. It's not as comfortable because there's really no padding anywhere. It's just hard plastic, but for its price, it's pretty good. Honestly, I would kind of recommend it. Yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing and setup video of this Logitech gaming mouse. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.